Hey babes, it's Taya. Welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to be doing another wig review, this time on the wig that I am wearing right now. This wig was sent to me by Wequeen, so thank you Wequeen for sending this wig over to me to try out and to review. Okay, so this is the 1B grab and go headband wig from Wequeen. This is human hair. It's 100% human hair. It's supposed to be a 3C texture and it is kinky curly. It's supposed to look very natural and I think it definitely does, especially in this 1B color. Like, check her out. Check her out. If this isn't a natural hair wig, I don't know what is. Now I, at this point, have a lot of headband wigs, several headband wigs, human, synthetic, all different kinds, different colors, straight, curly, things of that nature. But this is actually my first kinky curly human hair headband wig. So I am so excited, and I was even more excited when I tried her on and saw how pretty she is, you guys. Look how pretty this wig is. Let me give you the details about this wig. We're gonna talk a little bit about the specs of the wig, and then we'll hop into those unboxing and styling clips, and then I'll finish off the video with my thoughts on this, pros and cons. So details. This wig comes in the lengths 12 to 18 inches. Now, I am not certain actually what length this specific wig is, but as you can see, it actually has some length on it, okay? So I know that this is definitely not their 12 inch, and I feel like, I don't know, I wish I knew, y'all. I didn't get like an information card, and I didn't see it in the email that they sent me either. But if I had to guess, 14, 16, I hate to lie to y'all. I'm gonna try to figure out what the length is of this wig that they sent me so I can share that information with you. But they do have these wigs in 12 inches to 18 inches. The price range on this wig for the 12 inches to the 18 inches, they have this wig in this color, and then they also have a kind of ombre, honey blondish color as well, if I'm not mistaken, in this type of wig. This is a 150% density wig. This did come with a set of headbands. It had 6 headbands that it came with. On the website, there's 3 different sets. This particular one that you'll see in these clips is set number 1. So yeah, y'all, she's extremely pretty. Like, wow, so pretty. Now, I do want to mention that the wig as it is right now on my head has been co-washed and air dried. In the unboxing and styling clips, you're going to be able to see this wig in all of its different states. Those clips are going to actually be from the fresh out of the box unboxing. So I hadn't put anything initially in the wig at all, so you can just see how it would arrive to you. Then I went ahead and used a spray bottle with some water and some leave-in conditioner mixed into it to spray onto the hair just to see how it would act, how it would react to water and a little bit of product. And then I also went ahead and brushed it out. After I got done filming last night, that's when I went ahead and co-washed it with Tresemme, I think it's moisture rich conditioner. Conditioned it really, really good, and then rinsed it out last night, let it air dry overnight, and here she is, okay? At this point, I have not put any product in this wig. This is just how she looks after she is washed in. I'm not mad. I am not upset, okay? Not at all. She's cute, okay? Okay, so those were all the specs and the details of this Wequeen kinky curly headband wig. I'm gonna go ahead and hop right into the unboxing and styling portion of this video, and then I will meet you at the end, at the outro, to share my final thoughts on this wig. Okay, go ahead and hit that like button. If you're not subscribed, go ahead and hit the subscribe button as well. Stay right where you are and keep on watching, and I'll see y'all at the end. Okay, you guys, so you've seen the unboxing, the styling of this wig. Now I'm back. I'm going to share with you my final thoughts on this wig before we wrap this one up. As you could see in those clips and even right now, this is a beautiful wig. Like, this wig, y'all, this wig, Wequeen, thank you. I absolutely love this wig. As of now, I'm sure I'll get more headband wigs over time, but as of right now, this would have to be my favorite headband wig that I have in my collection right now. So thank you, Wequeen, for hooking your girl up. I do appreciate it, okay? So let me just tell you what I love about this wig. The texture, absolutely beautiful. It looks amazing, y'all. It looks really, really good. I especially like how it looks right now after I co-washed it and let it air dry. I personally would, you don't have to of course, but I personally would recommend it because I am loving how it looks right now in this state, co-washed with no product in it. I think it looks really, really great. This wig is very well constructed. I didn't have any issues with it, no issues with the headband or with securing this wig to my head at all. It's a nice fit. It seems like it will fit an average size head pretty well. I personally didn't experience any tangling or shedding or anything of that nature with this wig, so that's a plus. In general, I just think she looks very, very pretty and so natural looking. Like, wow, like the texture of this hair is very close to my own hair texture, but my hair is nowhere near this length, so I can fake it, but I like the fact that it still looks like it could be my hair because it matches my texture so well. Love the fact that this wig was extremely easy to put on. Seriously, y'all, besides laying down baby hairs, this is a super quick hairstyle, and I'm always here for the ease, for the convenience, and for the slay, okay? Because she is cute, okay? So you're telling me that I can throw this wig on in like 10 seconds and look this good? Like, is this what you're saying? Is it? Okay, I will take it, okay? Okay, I did mention at the start of the video that she is 150% density. This is what that looks like here on me. But I love the fact that it's so full and beautiful, but it's very, very lightweight. And I keep on looking at myself in this viewfinder because I think this style looks so cute on me, y'all. I am very, very pleased. I love this wig. It's super affordable for how nice it is and how good the quality is. But I do want to also mention to you that as affordable as these wigs are, I do have a coupon code for all of you, so please do make sure that you check out the description box before you take off so that you can get the website details and also my coupon code, and check out this or the other wigs on their website. I mean, honestly, I need to go and check out their website a little bit more as well because I am extremely impressed with this wig, y'all. Honestly and truly, I am like, wow, this is very, very nice. Okay, so I think that was all I wanted to say about this wig. I love her. She is so nice. Thank you, Wequeen, once again for sending this wig to me. All of you who are watching this video, please let me know down in the comment section what you think about this wig. If you've tried Wequeen's wigs before, either this one or a different one, I would love to hear your thoughts down below. Please also, if you like this wig, if you enjoyed this video, go ahead and hit that like button before you take off as well. If you're new here, please make sure that you hit that subscribe button to see more videos like this in the future. Join the family. We would love to have you. Hope to see you in the next one. That's all for today. Y'all have a wonderful, wonderful rest of your week, and I will catch you in the next one. Bye.